Lesson 2. Your network detective tools. Understanding ipconfig and ifconfig. Have you ever opened your laptop, tried to connect to the internet and nothing works? Maybe the Wi-Fi is on, but websites won't load. You restart your device, still nothing. Now what? This is where networking tools like ipconfig and ifconfig come to the rescue. These simple command line tools give you instant insight into how your computer is connected to a network, or why it's not. What are ipconfig and ifconfig? These are commands you can type into a terminal, a command prompt to see your network configuration. In other words, how your computer is connected to the network. Command operating system description. ipconfig, Windows shows your IP address and network info. ifconfig, Linux Mac similar to ipconfig, but used in Unix-based systems. What can these tools tell us? When you run either command, you'll see several pieces of important information. IP address, your computer's address on the network, like your home address, but for data. Example 100.2.169.1.12. This is how your computer sends and receives information. No IP equals no connection. 2 subnet mag helps define your local network and who your neighbors are.
Other devices on the same subnet.
Common value 255, 255, 255.
I'm more.
Think of it as a filter. It separates your computer from others on different networks. 3 default gateway. The IP address of the device that connects you to the outside world, usually your router. Example 100.2.169.1.1. If your device can't reach this, it won't get to the internet. For network adapter, lists all your network interfaces like Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or virtual adapters. Each one can have its own settings and IP address. In a real-world scenario, you can't get online at school and tech comes to help and ask, what's your IP address? You open command prompt and type ipconfig. You see IPv4 address on 69.145.21. Oops, that's a sign of trouble. IP starting 1. I was 69 to I4 are called API addresses. Your computer made up an address because it couldn't talk to the DHCP server. That means no internet. Now the tech knows what to fix, all thanks to ipconfig. Quick demo. Try yourself on Windows. Press Windows keyless R, type CMD, then press enter. In the black window, type ipconfig. Press enter. On Mac or Linux, open the terminal app. Type ifconfig. Press enter. Score Joe crawlers. Try to find your IP address, default gateway, and subnet mask. Ask yourself, hey, is it a private IP like Can you reach a gateway? On why this matters. Understanding ipconfig and ifconfig gives you the power to troubleshoot your own internet issues. A key skill for future added or cybersecurity jobs. A better understanding of how your device fits into a network. Think of these tools like your network X-ray machine. They showed you what's happening under the hood, even when nothing else is working. Worm summary, term what it tells you. IP address where your device is on the network. Subnet mask defines the local network boundaries. Default gateway, your exit to the internet. ipconfig.